bro. Good jump. Texas rigs getting it done today. Look at that, another one for the books. I just got another fish. This is our third fish of the day. Another little dude on the Texas rig. But yeah, little dudes are appreciated. So, adios. Crush the Texas rig. They're really liking this thing today, this crazy looking craw by Big Bite Baits. It's killing the dinks. Actually, he's not that big, but he is the biggest one I've seen in here. Probably like only a pound, but still. Keeps looking at it. He's got it. Got it. He picked it up. I think he picked it up, or maybe it's a different bass, but geez, this guy's fighting hard. Yeah, it's him. That is the biggest one of the day, and he is pretty tiny. But you know what? Doesn't matter. It's actually not bad. Maybe like half a pound. Not big by any means, but it's our second one of the day. See ya. Caught 4 today, all on the T-rig. He didn't eat it, guys, but he nosed it. It was very close. He definitely wanted to. God, I just got hammered. God, this guy's fighting hard too. Oh, that's a good one, actually. Jeez, please tell me. Oh, biggest one of the day. Oh, that's actually a fatty. Jeez, look at that bass. Not big, but he crushed it. Wow. Look at the stomach on him. He's a chunk. Oh! He spit it right as I got him in the net. Holy crap. That's the first fish on my new Shimano. A jig rod. Not really my jig rod, it's just like another rod. It's not a bad one at all. That's a 2-pounder easy. Easy 2. Ow. Calm down. Easy 2. Actually, maybe a 1.5. Oh, he spit it right as I got him. That was crazy. And he crushed the jig. He was looking for a meal. Look at that. 6 bass today. Probably caught 4 pounds, 3 pounds worth of fish. Then we just get a weigh in on this guy and then we'll release. Got him. I got him, guys. He's fighting hard. This fish does not want to come in the boat. Oh. Got him. Come on, guys. Nice one. Stay on. Alrighty, it's our first bass of the stinking day. That's pretty cool. Nice 2-pounder. Damn. But it came out of nowhere and crushed it.